The trip to Bursa and Uludag was amazing. We were picked up on time at 8:15 and our tour was a great tour leader. We were in a small bus, around 20 to 25 persons, and we had the cable car from the city to the upper side of Uludag without any queue. It was fantastic, the view from the cable car. And we also got a great lunch with chicken kofta, beef and fries. The taste is good. After the trip came to the last spot, the weather was not on our side as it was raining heavily, but the guide was very nice and entertained us with a very knowledgeable guide about the Turkish history along the way. The cable car was closed due to the bad weather, however, we were compensated with the chairlift tickets which were adequate. Stayed at Ramada Grand Bazaar. First to be picked up, last to be dropped off. A full day tour, from 8 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. We saw lots of olive trees, window shop at 2 big supermarkets, up a steep hill to see a very old tree, ate a nice quick lunch, with 2 small beef hamburgers and a medium grilled chicken. Yummy. Went up higher and saw lots of snow, paid TL 500 for chairlift, super windy and cold up there, lasted only 20 minutes, came down on. We were the first to be fetched from our location. Halfway to Bursa, the guide moved us to another bus. Some people were not keeping up with the timing. End up waiting for them in cold weather. 'Cause of that we missed the sunset view from the cable car. Pitch dark inside the cable car. Uludag is breathtaking. No dinner, so make sure you pack. I had a great experience on the Bursa and Uludag tour. If you're staying around the Taksim area, do expect the transfer pickup to take a bit of time due to the heavy traffic, but rest assured, they will definitely come and get you. Personally, I enjoyed the ferry and cable car the most. The ferry ride was a bit shaky because of the strong winds and big waves, but it was an awesome experience. The cable car ride down from the hilltop, with a full view of Bursa, was breathtaking. However, the unexpected cold at the top was a surprise, and we didn't get the chance to try the lift chair cable car. I highly recommend checking the weather forecast and bringing a proper jacket if you plan on taking the lift chair cable car. It's a fantastic ride, but the cold can make it challenging. Tour very well managed by Klook's local partner. I received the driver details one day before. It was the guided tour and covered the major part of Bizra. There was a shopping stop, lunch, and a ferry ride and cable car in a Switzerland-like mountain. The Bursa and Uludag trip was amazing. Tour guide and the driver is friendly. You should try ATV and chairlift for additional fee. The view from chairlift and cable car was amazing. The lunch which was included is good. This tour is definitely value for nice tour. Visit to the jam factory was good. Pricey but worth the taste. Chairlift ride cost extra, good experience. Summer weather but the cool air as you go up the mountain. Cable car ride very scenic. Lunch was decent. They had extra options at a reasonable price. Overall good experience having to see the city, lovely trip. Really liked everything about it. The guide was super helpful. The places we visited, jams, sweets were the best across Turkey. Food served was also good. Worth a visit. Ferry ride in the evening was amazing.